At dahil bumili tayo ng prime rib, so kailangan na natin silang i-cut, guys. Baka makalimutan namin sa refrigerator ba na meron pala kaming prime rib hanggang masira na lang. So bago natin siya i-cut, ang gagawin namin dito or gagawin ko kasi ako yung magka-cut, linisin ko itong counter, guys, ng wipe na Clorox, no? Kasi kailangan nating linisin at isanitize ang lugar. And i-ready lang natin yung knife para naman hindi habol-habol at saka matadtad natong sakto ang ating steak, no? So, ikat natin yung prime rib kasi gusto namin maging steak siya. Usually, yung prime rib kasi si Tammy din, mag-sieve din yan siya ng prime rib para for, i-roast ba, ng buong ganyan.
You can even walk.
Go away.
Han, can you stop doing that?
Go away.
What, honey?
You know what? Do you know what? You know what? No paper towels. You're starting the day right. You put them over there. We need paper towels.
Because I need to put something here.
So, dito ko na siya inopen, guys, sa ating sink para naman kung merong magtulo-tulo at saka yung, as may dugo-dugo pa kasi siya, guys, no? So, kailangan natin siya ditong talagang i-open para hindi doon sa ating counter. Gusto ko malinis yung counter. So, ang bigat-bigat nito, guys, promise, hindi ko alam how many pounds ito. I think 25 kasi total ng dalawa is mga 50. Nasa 25 pounds ito, I think. Hindi ko sure. Pero yun, ikat natin ang bone. Masarap yung bone, guys. So, yulutuin natin yan. I-grill. Ay, nako, yamit, sigid. But anyway, so yun, kinakat ko yung bone at i-freezer natin kasi marami pa. Dili ay akong bone, guys, no? Nandun pa sa freezer, marami pa. So, kaya yun, pag-cut ko dito, ikat din natin itong mga fats kasi may mga extra na fat. So, kailangan natin siyang ikat para hindi masubrahan yung pagka-fat. Malami man yung fat, guys, no? Masarap, as in, alam nyo naman ako, mahilig ako sa fat kasi hindi naman siya nakakasira sa katawan mo dong, day. Ganyan po talaga, day, no? Huwag tayong mag-isip ng sobra kasi, guys. Ang sinasabi kasi ng mga expert, guys, like mga doktor, mga health, basta alam nyo na, ang sinasabi nila is fat is bad for you, but ang realidad, guys, is not really bad for you, guys. Mas mabuti pa yung ganyang klaseng fat, yung kakainin mo, yung karne, fat sa karne, yun, guys, hindi po yan nakakasira. Ang daming nagsasabi din, matatakot din tayo, no? Kasi nga, ang sabi nila, cholesterol, ganon, ang fat, grabe, kukulaps ka or mamatay ka or magkaunsa pa ng problema dahil kumakain ka ng palaging karne, no? Depende po yan sa health mo. Basta ako at si Tammy, mahilig kami sa mga karne, lalo na itong beef at lamb, guys. Pero mostly beef talaga, no? Hindi na nga kami masyadong mag-chicken kasi si Inday Mirian may problema na naman sa chicken, guys. Iwan ko na lang itong mga, ay nako, talagang si Batman talaga. But anyway, si Tammy yung taga vacuum sealed at ako naman yung taga-cut. Meron pa tayong isay na karne. Mamaya na yun, guys, kasi napagod yung kamay ko, guys. Yung carpal tunnel ko ba, magtukar-tukar man, guys. So nilagay ko dito sa ating bag at ilagay natin doon sa basement kasi kailangan natin siyang i-preserve doon sa ating freezer at kailangan natin magkalkal at ayusin natin yung mga old steak kasi meron pa kaming old steak. Ayusin namin, ipaibabaw namin yun. Yeah, don't fight with me, love. Don't fight with me. Don't fight with me!
You would fire a fight every time you do like whenever we're in the same room, you start to fight.
Silid. No, I'm not fighting with you.
know it's small.
What, another small one? Just use the regular one. Big one, okay?
You know what I'm talking about.
Because it's hard. You're having a hard time over there. There's no, it's big one, Han.
Just give me a small one. What's the difference? You can have small. I always use the big one. The one I got left is small.
It's okay. He's gonna be pin in the neck. He's feeding me a lot of steak. Look, honey, you're a pin in the neck, but you're feeding me a lot of
My
steak.
goal in life.
You're feeding me a lot of steak.
Okay.
Okay? Ado.
Oh, that one you were having. Leave that one.
So, ganito po yung buhay, guys. All you have to do is love your husband. Don't fight with him. He will buy you a lot of
Yeah,
steak.
look where you're getting that advice from.
Honey, I don't fight with you. You are the one who fight with me. You like to fight with me.
Incorrect.
You like to argue with me.
Incorrect.
You are telling me, don't eat that one, eat that one. If I want to eat my
because
shrimp paste, if I want to...
You're being dramatic. She wants steak, but well, I wanted that one, so screw it. I'm
Of course,
just gonna
honey.
have shrimp paste
Yes,
instead.
there is something that I like. The
I'll
part
show
of the
you.
steak.
I'm gonna have shrimp paste.
What is wrong with the shrimp paste? Shrimp paste is the best. This one is nothing.
Nobody says, I feel like a steak. Well, I'm gonna have shrimp paste instead. Nobody ever said that. Nobody.
Because you guys don't eat shrimp paste.
Nobody ever said it.
But shrimp paste is the best.
It's like, guys, oh, I feel like having a steak. Maybe
You know
I'll
what?
just have a piece of celery.
You know what? If there is an okra, I pick the okra instead of this. Look at this face. Don't do that. You hurt yourself. You know you're fragile. So you have to write the name, Mary Ann. you have to make sure you write the name of your own name that he knows for who. This is for Roxy. This is Roxy. Roxy, look, you really have to do it because, or else Tommy will not give my kids any good steak. I don't know why he doesn't like my kids to have own steak. This is for Misty. Misty. And this is for Dimples. 12.25 Dimps.
You can write dimps, you're dims.
We have a lot of kids, and one of us have to eat steak in 1 year.
No, Mom's good too.
This is for my little boy, and my little boy have 5 steak this year. Hubs. Yes, this is for our cats, for Hubs. This is good for 1 year only because they are not allowed to eat steak a lot. It's too much money. So this is for Liam. This is the cat of our
Neighbor's cat, I guess. And they
our
one for the
neighbor.
coyotes, and one for the bears.
Yeah.
Don't forget the pigeons, or the starlings, or whatever they are, the little birds.
This is for Honey, which is for me. Tommy. This is for Tom. And another one for Hubs because I told you Hubs can have 5 for a year. So Hubsy Bug is gonna be happy. Hubsy little bug. This one is so good. This is for Roxy.
If we died and somebody came over here and they went to the freezer and said, what the hell is going on in this house?
Han, we are not gonna die. We're not both of us in one time, Han.
Yeah, we
Our
are.
kids will be like,
We could be traveling together.
hala, hala, Han, Han. Do you have it there?
In the family.
It's not going anywhere.
Decisions.
Take the whole steak out. There is a steak under here too. And there is more steak here. Huh? 12.55.
You don't want these ones underneath, could you?
Yeah.
So should we go for Alaska?
This one. Where is that? Can I put it here?
Yeah, I know.
There's no more under there, right?
No. You can stand up. Yeah, myself.
Really?
Yeah.
That's it. Standing, I think it's under them. Standing.
What am I now? Just,
It will.
not even lie down, just that. Maybe more stand up. Just do that. Probably fit more that way anyway.
Oh, remember, we still have up to be cut. So, ito na yung isa nating prime rib, guys. At yun, hiwalay po siya sa isang prime rib, of course. So, kailangan nating mag-film, di ba? So, ako din yung nag-cut nito. Si Tami, hindi ko siya pinakat. Gusto niya siya. Sabi ko, wag, kasi talagang alam ko. Mas, siya, yung parang hindi ko gusto yung mga cut niya ba? Nagalit ba siya, guys? Kasi gustong-gusto din niya i-cut, guys, pero ayoko.
Bakit na ginagawa mo sa akin? Bakit ganito yung mga nangyayari? Bakit hinihiwa mo ako?
Diba? Sabi pa ng iba, mali daw yung mga pinagagawa ko. Bakit kinakat ko yung bone? Dapat daw kung mag-cut ako, andun yung bone in daw. Guys, hindi namin gusto ni Tami yung bone in kasi siya, gawin talaga namin siyang steak. Kasi kapag bone in, ang mangyari po, makapal po yung steak na namin makat.
Short ribs. You pay more for just the bone, or we pay for the whole thing for a pound. That's what those are, beef short ribs.
Yeah.
You know that? Only these have more meat on them, and
The one that we get is like 34 shit. And mostly bone.
this is why you need to shop properly. That's the deal. But otherwise, they take advantage of you when they can. That's just what they do. It's just business. It's not like they're sitting there targeting you as a person.
They are.
No, they're not.
Why the bone is bigger here? Stay here. What the
It
heck?
came from a bigger cow.
I have to cut this round. Look. To get the freaking bone. That have a deep hole in it. Ay. Bone. Mary Ann will enjoy the bone. My husband like the bone, but he doesn't eat it. So, itong prime rib na ito is 7 yung bone. Ang pagkatapos, kapag bone in po siya guys, 7 lang yung steak na magagamit namin. 'Di ba? So, 7 lang yung makat namin kasi talagang inaano mo siya kung saan yung bone.
I cut it so thin. I don't like thin steak. I don't like thin steak.
Yeah, no, if you get it thin on one side, not all, cut even.
So, ang pinaka masarap talaga sa steak, you can tell guys, oh, dito na mga side ba, yung nakapalibot. At saka dito. What is it, monkey? Wait, I noticed the marbling change when you get farther the other side. Why is that?
Because for a different part of town, but patty less.
Over in the smaller area, it's more
Right, yeah.
marble. What the heck? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. If the 20 is like the other one.
Those one on the bigger one.
And this one I got more nicer. I mean, I like. Because this is bigger, I guess. You still have bone there?
Yeah.
You can mix this with the bone. The edge of it. Or I can cook it.
What am I making?
Look, oh. Can you do this? Ha? Finally, tapos. And ito siya guys, nakakat ko mga 19 cuts. Yung isa, it's 18. This one is 19. Actually, this is 20 cuts. But the last one is maliit. So, at meron ako mga chinap-chap na fat. Yung mga extra ba, nag-flap na siya. So, tapon natin yan. Maganda ito, ano ba, lutuin. And then you can use the oil. But I don't have a lot. So, I'm gonna waste my time.
So guys, so ang gagawin ko, dahil meron pa dito, this is chicken for the dog. So, ito yung mga ilabas ko lang itong mga this year na steak din, pero older siya. March namin nabili. So, ilabas natin. Merong lasagna dito kami. Yung lasagna atin itong pakain. Last year nagawa. At ilagay natin ito. Ganyan. And then, bones na baboy. Diyan. And then, mga old dito. Ayan. Old. Ayan. Okay. Ipaibabaw ko lang ang bone. Kasi lulutuin ko yan. So, yan. Close. Limisi ko mag-close ba? Bakit pala?
Tapos,
Sa wakas natapos din natin yung pagkakat ng ating mga prime rib guys, no? At pagkatapos nagkasya pa rin sa ating freezer. Akala ko talaga hindi magkasya guys, pero kinakasya-kasya ko talaga at minumove ko para naman maging okay. Naglinis ako dito kasi ang dami niyang mga bukog-bukog. Ang daming mga, you know, hindi naman marami, pero alam niyo na, karne yung pinaglalaro-laro natin dyan. Hindi natin kung anong mga natira-tira dyan bakterya. Bakterya talaga. But anyway, sinabihin ko si Mr. na habang naglilinis ako dito at nag-asikaso sa kusina kasi napagod ako guys, no? Sabi ko, ano mo yung mga machine, ilagay mo sa baba.
so ngayon, i-try natin itong kung magkasya ba siya dito sa bag. Bumili kasi kami ng Angus na ito for Valentine's Day. Ang presyo po nito is $60 for this little one, right? Diba? Grabe. Ilang buwan lang ito? Dalawang buwan for Tamian ay for Valentine's Day. So, yun yung ano natin lutuin. Pero bago natin yan siya i-preserve, atin yan siyang ipasok dito. Sana lang talaga magkasya. Kahit kung hindi siya kasya ay kung nagiingon nga, ma-preserve din siya ba? So, para maano din siya guys, kuhaon nato siya sa kanyang, kunin natin siya sa kanyang lagayan kasi may hangin dito, hindi siya makukuha. So, this is, ang problema nito, walang palagyan guys. Yun, that's the problem. Ipasok din natin itong kanyang ano. Kasya siya guys. So, linisin lang natin itong kanyang, para ma-seal siya na maayos. So, hoping na ma-seal siya. Okay, let me see. Prime rib. Mas mabuti palang bibili ng ganitong size kasi usually bibili namin ng ganitong size, double the size ba. Mas mabuting ganito dahil maganito siya ma-sealed, oh. So, yan. Ngayon, maghanap tayo ng lugar for this. Dalawa yung binili ni Mr. nito guys for Christmas yung isa. So, magluto lang kami ng ganito, maliit, kasi kami lang naman, and chicken. That's it. That's it. Yay! Na-sealed siya guys. Tara, hanapan natin ng space.